All right, guys, welcome to another day at the shop. Today we're supposed to be getting some bad weather in, but we have got a Ford F150 EcoBoost that has got some bad bearings on the front, so we are going to pull it in and change out front hub bearings. So y'all comment, like, subscribe. Locust Farm and Fab Shop. We're going to show you how we do this today. Appreciate y'all watching. See ya. Boombox going on, Josh. All right, then. We got to move you off so I don't bump into you. Thank the Lord I'm still skinny. I can get out. Yeah. All right, now we've got the truck back in here. We're going to get it up on the lift. Catch y'all shortly. Truck is on the lift. Done the shake test. Make sure it's not going anywhere. So we're going to start taking the front tires off now. Well, luckily we're inside because we are supposed to have some storms come through today, and the rain has just started. So if you hear some beating on the metal roof, yeah, you know what that is. That's storm coming. Supposedly it's supposed to go, you know, central Mississippi, south Mississippi. Not really supposed to get bad up here, but they're calling for tornadoes and everything. So, yep, here we go. December 28th, and we're talking about tornadoes. Imagine that. Got the dropsies. So how was everybody's Christmas? Everybody have a good Christmas? Drop a comment down below. Tell me how y'all's Christmas was. Mine was good. I got to see all my grandchildren. Even got to be introduced to my new grandbaby. Actually, she's not born yet, but she's coming in February. But I got to see my granddaughter who's pregnant, so that was good. My eyes are fogging up. Ooh. Sorry if you hear the noise in the background. Yeah, that's my fan going because it's getting kind of hot. Let's get this brake caliper off. Tie wraps. We're gonna mount this up to where it doesn't hang. This doesn't put any strain on the brake line. Well, maybe if I can get through there. Yay. There we go. Now it's out of the way. Now we got to get that off. That looks like about an 18. Nope. Need to go break into the other toolbox. Nope, it ain't an 18. .21 millimeter. What this is doing, this is taking the caliper bracket off so we can get the brake rotor off. Probably should have looby-dooby these up. That's a long boat. There we go. That's one. I gotta get this one. What are y'all's plans for New Year's? I'm old, so my New Year's plans are sitting at the house watching TV, not doing nothing. Alright. Alright, so one of the common problems with changing out these, especially on one that has not been changed out in a while, is these rotors get stuck to the hub. One of the things that you want to do is you can hit it on the back side, but then you possibly will warp it. But if you hit it in between the studs with a hammer, typically it works. You gotta find a hammer. Lovely. I got my baby hammer. And what it is, it's just stuck to the back. And if that doesn't work, you get your big hammer. And you start tapping on it. So you can see this surface, it's just rusty. We're going to be cleaning that up when we go back on with the new hub. So yeah, that's what we're working on now. We're going to get the rest of this off. So what we have to do, this is the little, like a, I call it, you know, like the old guys used to say, it's a bearing cap cover. It's actually the axle nut cover. So we got to get a pry bar and get that off. So we get the little tappy tap. Try to get a small screwdriver. I thought we were fixing to get a downpour, but it stopped. Yeah, there it comes. You gotta ease it. And there it goes. So that looks like a 13 millimeter. No, it's not. Yep, 15 millimeter. Keep that nut. Now we got to unhook the ABS, which all goes all the way up to the top. And I want to say that's an 8 millimeter. I do believe. Oh yeah. I had to go get my small set. What's going on, guys? Well, as you can see, it's a different day, different t-shirt, different setup. You don't hear rain pounding down on the roof. I wasn't able to finish the F-150 project on camera the other day due to the fact that we had some terrible rainstorms come through, and to be quite honest with you, It was raining so hard, my shop flooded. Somehow, some way, today I've spent the day cleaning my shop from the day Saturday. Today is Monday. 4 vacuum, 15-gallon vacuum things full of water in my shop. We're gonna have to figure that out, but I couldn't video. Y'all would not be able to hear, and all you would hear is the wind and the rain beating down on this shop. So needless to say, we got it done. It's finished, it's out the door, and today I've spent the day cleaning the shop, putting tools up, putting tools back in toolboxes, fixing socket sets, basically go from there. So I know this probably is not a good enough video to put out, but that's all I got to put out right now. So appreciate y'all that watch and follow, comment, like, subscribe. Locust Farm and Fab Shop. Just do it, worry about it later. All right, guys, y'all have a blessed, well, actually, it's New Year's here in a couple days. I'll probably see y'all next year, 2025, the year we come alive. See ya later.